Hey, yo, you know how you be trapped in your motherfucking skull, bro? Deep in your thoughts, and then that nigga in the inside starts spitting some shit back. That's how my conversation sound like.
My last night in Havana, better not miss the flight, never wanna.
I'm gonna turn this into a location scouting type video. You know what I'm saying? I just found a spot over here that's nice. And I like some of the lines on, some of the lines and the angles I can get with it. You know what I mean? Then I'm gonna go try to capture some shots for some locations, for location scouting. All right. All right. I got my camera out. It's a little Kodak joint. It ain't, we got the Kodak Pix Pro. You remember, same little camera. You feel me? Still low budget right now at the moment, but slowly but surely making progress. So I'm about to go over here, get some shots. King Lincoln Park, city of Newport News. See that spot? That's gonna be the spot right there.
My voice should be familiar as shit. I've been screaming at you ever since the beginning of this shit. For deliverance from this trip. But you insist. Through the truth is you standing here cause I can't go through this shit no more. Letting you withdraw the pen from the paper of my life that I'm trying to write with no highlights from your side, bro. Why you trying to be the monkey in the wrench of my... I created you, this my ship. I docked here, then you appear standing in a chair, sitting in the corner. I don't care, you on trial up in here.
I'm actually gonna take a few more corner shots. You know what I'm saying? So that I can see what that angle looking like.
You saying something? Don't part your lips a little weak. Last time I checked, nobody gave out permission to go to get in the speaker. And I'm appreciating this engagement. You need to face it. It's about to be a situation with some real serious intent. Springtime renovation, inevitable power shift.
Yeah, so it just came out here. There's colors, man. Oh my God, it's so rich. It's beautiful. It's crazy. So I'm out here. We just, I just took some shots from over here on this corner post right here, and then this is another one over here on the other corner right here, and then took a bunch of different angles of these stairs back here because of the lines. So when you taking pictures of a location, you want to look at the lines. Like, as you can see this right here, you got some nice leading lines right there. You see what I'm saying? Now, I'm gonna show you an angle that I'm really enjoying, you know what I'm saying? But this angle right here is about to be bananas. Watch it unfold. We're gonna bring it back to about right here. And bring it back to about right here. And then bring her down. With these trail of tears, I don't got that many years left within me to be drunk off your alcohol, failing my kidneys no more. And check that out. Now that is a nice scene right there. You know, that's a nice scene right there. They call it an establishing shot. You know what I mean? Opens a scene, opens up a movie, shows you where the action is taking place, or this scene where it will be unfolding at. It shows you the location. I'm gonna take some other angles from up here because I want to see how they look. I believe they're gonna look great, so I'm gonna try them out and try to get you from facing the light. You know, in the process of this, me shooting these various angles and what have you.
You can receive them.
My nigga, just keep the faith in.
Just keep your faith in. Stay a believer.
Oh, how about the time it was 05, trying to rise above the waves, tired of sitting in low tide. You know,
walkway with a pitch that I want to check out. Then there is a pier that I want to look at. So I head over there now. You feel me?
How you doing?
That's what cute look like, world. I really want to see what this bench look like with this tree. For real. This bench right here with this tree. I also want to see a long angle shot. See the basketball court back there in the background. But this is what I really want to see what this look like. So I'm gonna get some shots and some angles of this to see what's popping. Okay, so I'm about to head over here to this pier back there. I know you can see it. I'll go back there and give me some shots. See what that's popping for. Go ahead and head over here to this pier and give me some shots. See what's popping. You feel me?
I put wisdom in my lyrics from my spirit so that you can hear it with no regard for the furthest of the nearest fire shots all abroad. To all you ignorant niggas, I'm laughing at you, dog.
Okay. So got some shots for scouting locations. So I can what I can do is I can take these shots, I can go back with them. I can actually try to color grade them a little bit to see what they look like, what colors I want to play with as it rolls with the final finished product. I'm gonna set up and take some more shots. Just had to go close to the water and shoot me a little close-up water shot. So you didn't get to see all of that extra close-upness by the water, you know what I'm saying? But leaving this location, I'm like right in the sun too. That's crazy. Y'all hear that?
Alarm goes off, warnings drop across the tracks of my train of thought, derailing a bit. Still I go slip into my kicks, push a few. You know a shower do. Then it's the hour of power where I grind up that flour, grab a raw sheet with a frontal leaf. Angie's expertise put in rotation. My steps to elevation, sitting in desolation and smog, being treated like dogs. Bitch, I'm a god, and it's all real.
I'm gonna go set this up down there, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like.
Explore, grind some more, and fuck them niggas trying to make you miss your alarm go off.
It's Monday morning. It's Monday morning. It's Monday morning.
Got some decent little shots, you feel me? Got some decent little shots, got some decent little locations in the water situation. This aquatic situation. The sun is behind me.
It's Monday morning.
I'm holding aces, I'm all in places like smiling faces.
Now it's in front of me. And now I'm going back where I came from. This was cool, guys. If any of this helped you in any way, I appreciate you tuning in to get you some. You can always share it, like it, and leave a comment. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so we can do what we do. I'm trying to grow this thing. So let's grow together. All right. Man, just seen the little dog bowl out there for the water fountain. Got a dog fountain, you know what I mean? So he just flips because that's the first time he seen one. You see what I'm saying? That's the first time he seen one of those.
It's Monday morning. It's Monday morning. It's Monday morning.
It's Monday morning. It's Monday morning.